Alright.
What's good, y'all?
What up? So marvelous in the fucking Hemi.
Yeah.
Not the Hemi.
Not the Hemi today, but you know, we somewhere, you know what I mean? Boss Money motherfucking Bates in my shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Still fly shit,
Yes,
you know what I mean?
sir, yes,
How y'all
sir.
doing, man? We miss y'all, man.
Yes.
Definitely do, man. We got some shit for them today, right?
Yeah, definitely.
We're gonna make you think today. Listen, before we even give you that,
like, subscribe, hit that fucking bell.
listen, please subscribe, man. Subscribe, like, comment, talk to us, man. We talk back. We don't bite. Nah, I do, but we know what I'm saying. Let's get it, man.
Yeah.
Speak on it.
Alright, so what we talking about is this. It's not the destination, it's the journey. And the thing, I know you've heard that before, but we are gonna be talking to you and talking to ourselves at the same time in this video. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times people get wrapped up on the destination. You know what I mean? But the journey, that's the goal. That's where the goal is at. You know what I mean? For instance, we started doing this Lavish Lifestyle channel, and we didn't know about shit about editing. We didn't know shit about none of this. Shit, my nigga, I don't even like niggas videoing me. And I know you feel the same way.
Listen, man, even right, I don't even got a video on my Instagram page. I might put some shit up on my stories and all that, but I still don't even have I might have one video of myself on my Instagram page, man. So you already know this is new to
both of us. Yeah,
super new, man. But you know, just like you said, it's not the destination. It's a journey, man. We learned this shit, man. Editing.
Yeah. Yo, think about all them hours you put in.
Listen,
editing,
man.
Fucking learning the fucking, what's that called? The algorithms and all that. Talk
everything
about
just,
that, man.
Listen, man, you know, and look, I learned from myself. Nobody taught me, or whatever case may be. I'm talking about hours of editing, man. Just 4 or 5 hours, one video, just looking at stuff and going back and cutting stuff out and be like, oh, damn, I shouldn't have cut that out. And going back and like, I got to do the whole video over again, man. Like, it's been real, man. It's been super real, man. But you know what? It feels good, especially when you learn something brand new, man. Like, you learning something new. It's wonderful, man. Honestly, for me, it is, man. Because once I learn it, it's mine.
Yes.
You can't take it from me, man. You know what I'm saying? So I can put my little spin on it. You know what I'm saying? And then he started learning how to edit. Yeah, you know, so you already know what it is, man. Like we knew none of this, man. And you know, basically with that, what we're saying is that you could do it, man.
And that's what we wanted to show you. Look at our first video and look at this one right now. Look at the difference. Check out that the R. Kelly video. That shit is amazing, the editing job that he did on that R. Kelly video. Look at the progression, and we wanted to get out there and show you how the courage it took to be able to say, you know what, fuck it, we want to come out of our comfort zone, and do something different, and to show y'all that you can do the same exact thing.
Nah, you definitely can do it, man. You can do it. You, the one that's looking saying, yo, I want to start a YouTube channel. I want to start it, man.
Word.
Stop waiting, man. You know, our thing was before is like, you know, separately. Because once we got together, man, we was like, yo, fuck it, man, we doing this shit ASAP. But you know, it's been times where I sit down, I'm like, damn, I'm going to start this YouTube channel. I'm like, nah, that's not me. I'm not doing that shit. But look, now, like, yo, listen, every week, you know what I'm saying? Besides that, you know, we always see each other, but every week we getting up to put stuff together just for you. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, we made a schedule. Like, this shit is real, man. You know, what you said, it takes 21 days to form a habit?
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yep.
That's the genius right here. That's the genius. It takes 21 days to form a habit, man. And we've been doing hella good, man. You know, the views might not be super high, but our confidence is super high, man. You know, this gives you a boost, man. It gave us a boost, man. You know, and this is wonderful, honestly.
We got verified. Yo, it's niggas out here right now on YouTube. Even though our views ain't crazy high, like he just said a minute ago, but they're gonna be. You feel me? Because ultimately, real recognize real, and we're gonna connect with real niggas who appreciate the message that we have to provide to y'all. Now, also, there's niggas out here right now on YouTube who been doing shit for 2-3 years and ain't get verified or just got verified. We got verified on New Year's Eve, where it was, right? That was 3 months into this shit. Like, that's the thing about the universe, the world, consistency. Once you be consistent, YouTube rewarded us, and consistency, the world and the universe.
The universe is gonna reward us, man, at all times, man, because we consistent, man. We got a consistent schedule. You know, we've been consistent for y'all, but the most thing, we've been consistent for us. You know, and doing what we say we're gonna do, man, and it's pertinent. that you do what you say you are going to do, man. If you say you're going to do something, do it.
Yep.
You know, not even for another person, but for yourself. If you have in your mind a goal that you want to get to, and you want to acquire, and you want to, you set, you have to do what you say you're going to do.
Exactly.
You will never be happy if you don't do that. If you don't make that move, you ain't gonna be happy, man. Right. Honestly, like I said, once again, he said it. I wasn't the type of dude to do, videos and stuff like this, man. This is really not me, man. But you know what? It is me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. It is me. It wasn't me, but it is me right now, man. And I look forward to this. I look forward to bringing y'all pain, making y'all laugh. You understand? Giving y'all that knowledge. I look forward to all that, man. It's dope. That R. Kelly video. We go back to that.
Check that shit out.
Listen to me, man. You not understand. He will tell you. Nigga was super stressed.
Yeah.
I'm like, because it was bothering me and it was on me, and it was like, yo, you know what? We got to get this out here, bro.
Yep.
We got to get this out here, man. Listen, we got fire. Yep. Go ahead, bro.
Speaking of videos, we have we're gonna do the Bill Cosby shit
Yes,
next.
Indeed.
But one thing, real quick, philosophically speaking,
get him.
God. It's a quote I love. It's the way it goes is God will not have his will manifested by cowards.
That's indeed.
You know what I'm saying? And the thing about it is that here's some shit real quick. If you believe in God, we all believe in God, a higher power, whatever you want to call him, whatever name he goes by, but God, you believe in that, right? That means that you have to believe in yourself because you're part of God.
You are made in the image of God.
Exactly. So now if you doubt yourself, that means you're doubting God.
An ounce of doubt.
Word.
That's all it takes.
Word.
And it can fuck up everything, man.
Exactly.
Listen, walk in faith. Even if you don't believe in a God, walk in the faith of yourself.
Exactly.
You understand? Walk in that faith, man. And you're going to get to where you need to go, man.
Yep.
You're going to get to where you need to go, man. Definitely, man. That's a fact, man.
That's some real shit. So then also, that's why I never doubt myself. I know he don't doubt himself. And if in the event that we do, I'm going to check him. He going to check me. Like, yo, nigga, you
like Nike.
Yeah,
nigga, I should check right on you, nigga. Exactly. Nigga, change that, nigga. Listen, this is what we doing right here, nigga. Yep. This is what we doing right here. We doing it. We gonna do it this way. Ain't no doubt, nigga. You could do it, nigga.
Yes.
Nah, you that nigga, nigga.
Exactly, sir. You that nigga.
You that motherfucker. And that's my nigga, nigga. So I'm letting you know. He that nigga. Yep, we those niggas, nigga.
Right, yes.
You know what I'm saying? And that's how you listen. And that's how your team's supposed to be at all time. You supposed to always uplift your team, man. Ain't no one man above the crew. You understand? But you got to make your people feel like how they supposed to feel, man. You know what I'm saying? It's that nigga right here. He get the job done. You understand? He's I could depend on him. Once again, I said another. Listen, man. I trust this nigga with my kids. Whip their ass if you got to. You feel me? Do it. You know what I'm saying? I trust him. It's my man right here, man. This is real. But basically what we're saying is this, man. Get to them goals, man.
Yep.
Get to them goals. It may take time, man. Everything takes time, man. We just had a conversation when we stepped in the car, about the views going down and things of that nature, man. But at the end of the day, listen, man, it's like this. We're going to keep on pressing.
Exactly.
We're going to keep on putting out work, and the universe is going to reward us, man, at the end.
Yep.
Everybody who's with us right now, we appreciate you. The 101 that we got right now, we got 101. You know what I'm saying? The 101 that's with us right now, we appreciate you, man. We want to build on that, man. Yep. We are a family. You are Lavish Lifestyle. Yeah. You understand? We're a family, man. Let's get this the right way, man. That's all I'm saying, man.
I got two more things for you.
That's the bottom line, because Stone Cold says so. You know what I mean? Yeah.
You got to tell that story one time. He got a story from
high school with
See, here Stone
you go.
Cold. And hit somebody with a stunner.
Yeah.
Like that, I'm putting it out there because now y'all can ask them to sell that story.
Beautiful. Yeah. Got you. Got you. You know what I mean? You see how you always do that, right? Got you.
No, but what you said a minute ago about the team, right? Right. I saw another quote. I love quotes. So another quote, and they said, if your team ain't uplifting you, anybody around you, your circle ain't uplifting you, that circle is now a cage.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? It's a jail. It's going to keep you in prison. It's going to keep you stifled. You know what I'm saying? So it's important that your team's going to uplift you and vice versa. You know what I mean? And again, that's my nigga. We were just talking a minute ago, and we came to the same conclusion at the same time.
Same time, man.
You know what I mean?
That's a godsend, man.
Yeah.
That's what it is, man.
Yeah, and we live in abundance. Fuck all that scarcity shit. Fuck all that what if shit. What might go wrong shit.
Nigga, listen,
what
man. I'll weather the storm.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'll weather the storm. It is what it is, man. I just told him, son, you ain't even know. Yeah, I ain't gonna put it out there, man. Right, but it's more than what you was fucking with. You know what I'm saying? And I'm good. I'm super good. You weather your own storm, man. Get your heart up. Get your backbone straight. You know what I'm saying? Get your wings right so you can fly the right way.
Exactly.
You understand what I'm saying? And do what you got to do, man. Yep. If it's a YouTube channel, start it. Listen, I'm telling you. Listen, this relieves a lot of my stress, man. Getting on here and just doing this, man. Because I ain't with the telling people my problems and shit like that. But this is a stress reliever, man. This is wonderful right here, man. This is a voice, you know what I'm saying? An outlet, man.
Outlet. You say outlet.
This is an outlet, man. When things are on your mind and you need to speak on them, sit right here.
Yep.
This is it, man. So if it's a YouTube channel, start your YouTube channel. If it's a job that you want to get to that job. If it's a business that you want to start, get to that business, man. Learn about it. Me, I sit down all day and I fucking study this shit. You know what I'm saying? I study all of this shit, man. And you already know what it is, man. You know how I go. But listen, man, learn your craft, perfect your craft. And follow your dreams, man. That's what it is. Yeah, bottom line, man. Boss money, motherfucking base, man. You already know it. Boss money. You know what I mean? It costs money to be boss money. That's the bottom line. Because Stone Cold said so again. You heard? And I'm rocking. I'm out of here with that. You know what I mean? You got anything else you want to say, man?
We good. Again, like he said, man, we appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. If there's anything that you want to know, please do ask. Get in the comment section. Even if you want to say some shit, whatever, you like a nigga's shirt or whatever the case may be, where you got that from, say that. Whatever the fuck it is. I like that.
Listen, I want to introduce something real fast. Starting every Friday. So we said it here.
It's happening.
Every Friday, we got a new segment for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, you're going to love it. Fellas, you're going to love it too, but ladies, you're going to love it. You definitely going to love it. And I'm going to leave it where it's at. You know what I'm saying? Look forward to that. So every Friday, just get ready for that, man. It's something brand new and it's something dope. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell.
Notifications.
Yes, please.
Turn them on.
Turn them on. Like, comment, subscribe. You like it. After the video go off, like this. Don't not like it, like it. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, comment. You'll say, yo, listen, boss money, you ain't even got to cost money. You know what I'm saying? But you ain't even got to call me that. You know what I'm saying? Yo, boss man, I want to ask you a question. Ask him questions. We got some good comments. We got some good comments and a couple of other videos. Yeah, that. You know what I'm saying? On that type of time. But listen, comment, man. Talk to us, man. Comment.
Yep, and check out the series that we doing about healing from toxic relationships.
Listen, please. You know listen, man. This is smart dude right here, man.
I appreciate you.
Listen, this smart dude right here, man. You always gonna hear me say it. I call him the genius. This is a smart dude right here, man. He got some knowledge. You understand? He got that series popping. You know what I'm saying? I might be in a couple of them videos, whatever. But listen to digest that the right way, man, because he got a message for y'all and it be on his heart to speak to you. It's not like it's coming from a weird place. It's coming from his heart. Soul, you understand what I'm saying? So, he waking up on this and he hit me, yo, I feel this, bro.
Yeah.
Do it! I'm saying, nigga, do it. You know what I mean? And that's what it is, man. That's what it is. Please, man, show him some love, man.
Check it out.
We good, man? We good?
Yeah, I think we good.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
We out.